Dun, 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 dun. That's what it is. Dun, 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 dun. It is what it is, dog. Fuck what it was, it's gone. Yeah. It is what it is, dog. Fuck what it was, it's gone. It is what it is, fuck what I did. Trying to get rid of the evil in my head. So I'm leaving my existence, feelings, skeletons and demons home, and they lonely, forever sleeping with the heat on the Grim Reaper. On any motherfucker creeping. Black sheep type heathen in the black streets. I'm status Scotty Pippen, lace tennis. Grill on a mission. Hook the bitch on the phone, serving pussies like tennis. Op enemies in competition. Cause I nitty gritty, pornographic with the tool. No diggity, I surgical with the blick. Trigger my mentals, the trip, pull the trigger, pull. To off ops with the Glock. Fuck the cops, I'm ghosting these fools, secrets and clues. Yup, bodies drop, I block it out loud. The rest I put to sleep with the rest and stress and past memories. The beast inside of me, murderous tendencies, forever forsaken, never waking. I was Lucifer with the ruby, leave a speech, defense post, don't confess secrets of murder scenes, I'm leaving. The rest history, baby. I ghosted like Swayze. I was a Rolling Stone lady. I was gone, girl, gone. It is what it is, dog. Fuck what it was, it's gone. It is what it is, dog. Fuck what it was. I was a rebel, no cause, armed and dangerous. Suicidal mental, Mel Gibson in my mental. I lead the weapon with the pistol. MVP Joe Namath, dude. Hail Mary. Black pop, dropping off with the bomb. 0 ticks on your clock. Graveside, you're to your end zone, homie. Homie. I go to hell cause I'm simple, man. I'm rugged individual. Wear arms for the principle. Jesus Christ built for the physical. Red rum in my visual. Put rats in a hole like Stuart Little with the gat. Keep it fat and full as a cat. Pet cemetery. Evil chemistry. Voodoo in my mentals. Like a Scooby-Doo mystery. Bury enemies in the feeling. And I have no memory of what happened to you. Up in smoke, Cheech and Chong when I hit the bone. The rest of my exes and wrongs gone like the dirty deeds. Kept secrets I ain't speaking. Cause I was a villain like Waylon Jennings. I'm a rambling man, leaving the past in the ash. For the gas, took a blast like Flash. Hit from the habit like a rabbit. Real fast hop past the withdrawals of the murder zone. Cause it is what it is, dog. Fuck what it was, it's gone. It is what it is. Fuck what it was, it's gone.